We're back with the final Earphone Tuesday of 2021. And today I thought we'd do something a bit fun here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel and unbox a pair of Bose QuietComfort or QC35-2. Now those of you who have been watching the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel for quite a while probably remember that at the beginning of our YouTube channel we unboxed and gave you some first impressions of this very headset. And I have to say, I used this for well over a year as my primary set of headphones for travel, because Bose are really good at active noise cancellation, and I liked them so much I then handed them over to my better half Candice, who has been using them ever since. This particular set of Bose QuietComfort 35-2 actually was part of the deal with the Google Pixel 5, which I purchased in 2020. I never actually got to opening these because I've been, as you probably know, covering lots of different headsets here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. But at this point, I think at the end of 2021, almost 3 years into the YouTube channel that we set up in 2018, it's time to, almost 4 years, it's time to revisit an old classic and see what's in the packaging nowadays. Now this is obviously retail packaging. There's a little hook for an arm. On the back we have a bit of information about the headset. The key thing is that these Bose QC35-2 stand out because they have a dedicated assistant button, which you can use with, say, the Amazon service and the Google service. So I'm going to open these up. This is obviously a set of Bluetooth earphones, very premium, with excellent active noise cancellation, and in my experience, decent battery life. So the packaging starts off with the card in the packaging itself, suggesting you download the app from the Apple App Store or from Google Play, and I will do that. And then the quick button to switch your earphones on is on the side of the right ear. There's the obligatory little sachet of silica gel to keep them dry. Let's see what else there is. Nothing else. There's a bit of literature in the bottom, but silica gel and quick disclaimer paperwork. I'll put these aside because I don't think we'll be using them anymore. Let's see what's in the Bose QC35-2 box. So the carry case is just the way I remember it, really good for traveling. It worked really well for me in the past, and I'm happy to see this is all the same as it was back in 2018. And inside here we have the earphones themselves, the Bose QC35-2. Now, there is a little bit of styrofoam protecting the earbuds for shipping. There's an extra bit here as well. And then we also have a few cables. Now, just as previously, this is a special cable. May look like a standard earphone cable, but the fact is that this is a 2.5mm courage port or audio jack, and this is a 3.5mm one. So the 2.5mm one is what goes into your Bose QC35. They don't take 3.5mm. And this is 3.5mm standard, which is what you would use to connect to a standard device with a courage port or a 3.5mm audio jack port. Sadly, in terms of smartphones, there's not many of those nowadays, but there is plenty of tablets, PCs, and lots of other great devices that still carry on having that. The problem is that this is obviously non-standard with the 2.5mm side that goes into the bottom of the left earphone here. So as you can see, it fits snugly, it fits great, but the 3.5mm one doesn't. It just doesn't go in. So what else is in the box? I'm going to use my jerry-rig everything knife to open up the packaging. So in here we have our USB cable. It's a standard USB-A cable to micro USB. Now obviously in 2021 that may be a bit of a drag, but the good news is you have somewhere to put that cable. So you can pop it in here, with your 3.5mm to 2.5mm audio jack cable, and it fits really nicely in the case. And sadly, that's it. There seems to be nothing else in the packaging. If you paid attention to other YouTube channel unboxings, there's usually an older head airline adapter cable in the box. Sadly, that's not here anymore. But let's put the packaging and the cables aside and look at the earphones themselves. Now, they're a great pair of lightweight, super ergonomic earphones that are adjustable in terms of size. It's no surprise this is the go-to for travelers quite a lot. Bose or Bose are really good at that. Now, obviously on the left-hand side we have, as we saw, that 2.5mm audio jack input and the assistant button. And then on the right side you have micro USB for charging your headset, and volume up and volume down, and your action button. And at the side here we have the on-off button. So what I'm going to do is take my Google Pixel 6 Pro, so this is the new smartphone from Google. We'll go into the Play Store and search for Bose Connect, which is the name of the app. I'm going to install that app on my smartphone, and we're going to turn the Bose QC35-2 on. We'll just ensure that Bluetooth is on my smartphone first, and we agree to Bose's terms and conditions. We'll skip this for now, grant it location access while using the app. Great. So what we're going to do is long slide the on-off button here so that the earphones are on, and I'm getting English spoken word here from the Bose QC35-2 telling me that they're on and battery's at 70%. So I'm going to slide these down. So we're now connecting to the earphones using the Bose Connect app, and it's taking its time. Little bit of a flash here. So power is on and it's flashing. I'm going to pair. There we go. And as you can see, I also now have a prompt for Google Assistant because there's a button for them. And we're going to set this to English US. Oh, there's no English UK option. Okay, we'll have to settle for English Simplified. And this is Bose QC35-2. Surprise me, vinyl record, earmuffs, nightwalk, tuxedo, nightshade, Osiris, no. Bose QuietComfort, Bose QC35-2, and I'm going to leave it all as one word, and that's it done. So what I'm going to do now is try them on, go through all the usual paces with my playlists, make a video call, and then get back to you with my new first impressions, my late 2021 first impressions of the Bose QC35-2. So bear with me, it will be a few seconds for you, there may be an ad slot, and we'll be back with more. And so here we are, I'm wearing the quite light and comfortable Bose QC35-2s and making a messenger video call with our Chief Aperture Officer, Lukasz, who's just back from dinner with his better half. How's it going, Lukasz?
Yeah, all good. Having a nice Christmas and enjoying the time off, so all good. You?
All good, thanks. Enjoying the break before Christmas and getting ready for the new year, where we might even make it up to 52 Earphone Tuesdays. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. As you can hear, Lukasz is using his Yeti microphone, whereas I'm using the Bose QC35-2. And this recording will give you a realistic idea of what the sound quality from the microphone is like when used on video calls. Anyway, let's wrap up now and get back to our first impressions, or second impressions, after the second unboxing of the Bose QC35-2s. Speak to you soon, Lukasz.
Cheers, bye.
Okay then, so now you've seen what the Bose QC35-2 sound like in use with video calls, as I recorded my call earlier. And overall, I've been using these for a few hours and I have to say I'm really, really impressed. These have actually improved with time, and as I took them out of the box, there was a couple of firmware updates available for the Bose QC35-2. These improved the digital assistant functionalities. I've been using these with Google Assistant, but you can also use them with Amazon's Assistant, the one that is easily triggered by our YouTube videos. Thanks for the feedback. But overall, I have to say, these are a wonderful pair of headphones. They're light, the sound quality is excellent without being over bassy. And listening to music, such as the playlist I'm linking to in the description to this video, so check that out if you haven't already, as well as audiobooks, podcasts, and also YouTube videos, everything performed really, really well. I had little or no lag between watching video and hearing the sound, so the connection is really, really good. And as usual, the great thing about the Bose QC35-2 is that they're Bluetooth 5 and you can connect them to multiple devices at once. And I also just wanted to show you, there's an extra feature that I don't think was there almost 4 years ago, which is the option to share your music. So if you have a friend who wants to listen to the same content you're listening to, you have the option here and it will disable the assistant. So you can pair multiple sets of earphones to the same device to share your audio from your Bluetooth headset to another one. And as well as that, you can also connect, as I said, your earphones and your PC to your phone if you have Bluetooth 5 devices, and seamlessly switch between a call on your phone to the use of them through the PC. Overall, great experience and worth the price. Now, I just checked on Amazon, you can still purchase these for around about £250 sterling in the UK. And there is also the newer Bose QC45, which our Chief Aperture Officer, Lukasz, will be unboxing and giving us some first impressions of too. So be subscribed to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube and have that notification bell turned on, and you'll be notified on Earphone Tuesday when we do unbox and give you some first impressions of the Bose QC45 earphones. Not only that, I will also be doing the Bose Active Noise Cancellation 700 earphones soon here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel too. So we're going on a bit of a Bose streak before then dedicating ourselves to some more affordable brands. So thank you for watching if you made it this far. If you have any comments or questions, please do add them in the section below. And for now, thank you for watching and goodbye from me.